Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everybody. Preston Vogel here, coming at you at Target Trading Academy. Today is Monday, October 25th, 4:26 p.m. That is Eastern Time. We are here with your micros market recap, starting us out with oil. We opened up gap up today. What that means for you who don't understand is we opened up higher than where we had closed outside of the higher or lower, gap up is higher, gap down is lower, to where we are in relation to the previous day's range, and that would have been Friday's. So we opened up, we were in white space here. These aqua lines are from the overnight. No importance to you, but basically what we did is we continued with that movement for a bit, came and did a little bit of a retracement back up to the opening highs there, where it finally gave and moved back into balance towards yesterday's range, where it closed out inside of, Friday's range. Now, not too much going on there unless you had trending entries from us in our rooms. In terms of reversals, off of those HVA edges per Pat's methodology, you had one winner there, and that was pretty much it. In terms of gold was pretty lackluster today. We opened inside of yesterday's range. I'm sorry, I keep saying yesterday's. It's Friday's. We mention it so often. I always say yesterday, but Friday's range had one inverse opportunity, two, both winners. Other than that, nothing really. It just sat around the point of control for the remainder of the day. It was pretty lackluster, as I said. Not a ton of action going in it, but off those HVA edges, only those two, and they were both winners. You could have taken this one here on the way back up if you were prepared for it, but there may have been other reasons why you would have not or would have gone that direction. But nonetheless, if you took them all, that would have been 3 for 3 opportunities. Moving on to our equities, we got the MES here. It also opened up inside yesterday's range, towards the top end, Friday's range, and immediately went towards the point of control and then the close, where we had, if you took this, it would have been a loss. Don't know why you would have, though. But if you don't know, then you need to be in the rooms and find out why you would not have taken that edge from our levels there. But if you took this one, you were looking at it, definite winner, and if you trailed it appropriately, it would have been a monster winner. And then we had the potential at the top of the contract high after it moved its way up and had that rejection of lower prices at this edge. If you took it, depending on how it managed, you managed it, you would have been a winner or a loss. If you were in the rooms, you would have known why it was not ideal to take in the first place. But it did break through and made some new all-time highs there, and you can see this is the closing volume of it just skyrocketing through, but in white space. So again, it's a Monday, not very great days on Mondays or Fridays. Still opportunities nonetheless, and depending on how you manage them with our methodologies or not, they're either going to be a winner or a loser. So again, Monday, pretty lackluster, few opportunities, but opportunities nonetheless. NASDAQ had a little bit better of entries set up for us, even though we were still opening up inside yesterday's range. If I open that up, we opened right on this level of HVA support. You could have gotten a quick trade-off on that for a winner, according to our methodologies. Nothing executed on this other edge after it opened, and then a monster winner here at this 15,383.25 area. I took this actually on the minis and trailed it down. I took this one too with less contracts, but nonetheless, those are the ones I took today. And both winners. Other than that, again, pretty lackluster. It's Monday. What do you expect? A lot of congestion towards that 10 o'clock area where it just started getting slow, and then we had some volatility pick up. And whether you took these or not, they still would have been some winners. for you on that long side. Disqualified wouldn't have taken that. But again, these levels, you can see the price action around them and how they respond. These levels are given out the night before. If you want to know how to trade with them, trade off of them, or how to even just trade, come check us out at Target Trading Academy. But going on with the continuation of the NASDAQ, another option or opportunity for that HVA level there. Again, you would have taken this or not. How you managed it would have been a winner or loser. Most likely with newer students, you would have lost on that. But again, if you were using our rules, you'd probably be done for the day. That's, the afternoon. I don't trade past 12. Most of the time, honestly, I don't trade past 11, 10:30, 11 myself. But students choose to. I cannot force them to do anything. We teach our methodologies, and it's up to you to execute or not. We don't tell you where to take anything. We just teach our education, and if you apply it or not, that's up to you. It's, either a benefit to you or not. But again, as I was saying, it was pretty lackluster for the day. Another opportunity, no entry, present for you, opportunity for a winner. You can see how well they hold up. Come learn our methodologies, our rules behind them, and see why we have some of the most successful students in the world and why we're the best trading education in the world as well. Now let's get on to some of the few trades that we're taking in our rooms for the micros. Now this is that MES trade that we saw in the micros for the ES, right? So micro ES, MES. This is a live trade managed at, for all intents and purposes, that's a break even, $750 with 3 lots. That's about $5. So she is live student. She knew exactly how to handle this trade. It wasn't working out, and she executed it appropriately and did not take a loss. And then here is one from the NASDAQ that we were touching upon as well. Curtis Myers up $10 live real money, took it with 3 lots. Again, managed appropriately and got out before it would have been a loss. This thing was not coming back down for him. So they were both live. They both managed their trades perfectly. Yeah, you might say, oh, that's not a ton of money, but guess what? Consistency wins more than your your hazardous clicking of market orders and where you don't actually know what you're doing, right? Consistency will win more than your random generation of market orders. So those are the 2 trades I wanted to touch upon today. Not those huge runners that you might see, some of them, $50 on one lot in the micros, but nonetheless managed trades, right? They didn't lose. They won. You may not say it's a lot, but guess what? They walked out winners and not losers on a poor trading day, right? Not many people can actually say that. So if you're interested in finding out what we do here at Target Trading Academy, why we have so many live students that are successful trading every day using our methodologies, check us out on Facebook at we are Target Trading Academy. Get in touch with a representative there. I believe they'll give you a free lesson if you get in touch with them. They might show you the rooms, and then you'll see for yourself why we are the #1 trading education group in the world. Again, you can check us out on Facebook or even our website at targettradingacademy.com and get in touch with a representative there. We'll see you in the rooms.